I am making a southern butter pecan bundt cake. Oh, yum. Instead of using a southern butter pecan cake mix, which I don't have, I am using butter, and I am adding my own pecans. So I've got my butter and my water, and then my eggs, and I've got my pecans. Stir those in, get all my mix down in there. So put that in the oven, I'm gonna bake it. Oh, yum. All right, here is my cake. Oh my goodness, yum. Now, I take a knife and pull it away from the sides just to make sure it's all loose. Oh, yum. Oh, that looks so delicious. I would just leave it like this. But if you want, you can dust it with powdered sugar or frost it if you would like. I know all you Southerners out there have your own way of doing it, so you can do it however you want. Put your suggestions in there for toppings, but I'm gonna leave this one just like this. It is still really warm, but let's go ahead, give it a slice. Oh my goodness. Oh, yum. That looks delicious.